Welcome back to Cooking with Bruce. Today we're going to be doing something that I love to do. I'm going to kosher steaks. So what that's going to entail is taking these beautiful New York strips, putting them in kosher salt, letting it sit for 1 hour, washing off the salt and grilling it. So all we have to do for this process is real simple. We're going to kosher. We have some nice kosher salt, and we're going to just cover these steaks with kosher salt. And what this is going to do is draw out the moisture of the steaks, concentrate the beef flavor, tenderize, and really bring out some good color. All right, so next step, we're going to let these sit for 1 hour, and then we'll come back and show you exactly how they look before you throw them in the grill. It's been 1 hour. You can see how much moisture that salt took out of the meat. What we're going to do now is rinse this off. I'm just going to take some cool water, rinse all the salt off, dry it off, and we'll be right back to lube them up and get them on the grill. So we rinsed off the steaks with cold water and patted them dry. Now you can see they're a little bit darker now, so the color's changed. But it makes the steak a little bit more tender by taking out moisture, but also condensing it down for extra flavor. And now it's perfectly seasoned, ready for a grill. All we have to do is add a little bit of oil, but first got to wash off my meat hands. So now we're just going to coat this with a little bit of olive oil. Some nice dried steaks are already seasoned, already salted up. And then we'll take these out to the grill and get up some nice char. All right, off to the grill. So we have an absolutely rip-roaring fire here, but we know that we have to clean the grill every time we use it. So, grill brush, get these grates cleaned off. All right, make sure all the holes are open in the grill because we want to have as much airflow as possible. All right, so we're gonna go 4 minutes aside on these steaks. We're gonna go 4 minutes, close it, come back, flip, 4 minutes, and it's done. Absolute sear. It's been 4 minutes, time to flip. So we have a total of 8 minutes of cook time, or 4 minutes aside. Take these steaks off the grill. I'll show you some perfect medium rare goodness. Look at these things. Oh my God, so beautiful. The color of the char, everything we need. We have rested meat that's cured in salt for 1 hour. Perfect, tender, juicy. A nice crust on it. Good color. Juicy. Perfectly seasoned. Crunch. Everything you need to have a good steak. This is a very easy way to make a very flavorful, tender, perfect steak. Get your grill out, salt cure some steaks. Guys, thank you very much for watching Cooking with Bruce again. Let me know how you guys like it, what you guys want to see me cook next. I'll see you guys in the next show. Like and comment. And while you're at it, subscribe. Oh, I can't stop myself.
Meat juices.